tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hair, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, 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 and all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh, sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hair, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is say I love you.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another Valentine's Day inspired video. Today I'm going to show you a really easy way to make a DIY fake cake. I hope you enjoy. To start with, what you're going to need is some round cardboard boxes. I got mine from Spotlight, but I also picked up this cute little heart one as well. Now I picked up the 2 little buckets of multi-purpose filler from Bunnings. Now you're also going to need your favourite colour paint. I chose this Cherry Blossom Pink, which I already had. I actually got that from Spotlight. And I also got from Spotlight this cute little icing set. Now you'll also need a plastic container and something to stir it with that I eventually will throw away. So this multi-purpose filler from Bunnings, guys, is it's so great for DIY projects. It actually comes with this little spatula on top of the lid, which you can see that I'm taking off here. I actually found that the paddle pop stick, I had those craft paddle pop sticks, and I found they were easier to use when emptying it out into the plastic container. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play side and stir it all up, and then I'm going to add that beautiful pink paint. Now this is going to act like icing for our cake. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. So you're going to stir it through until you've got a really nice consistency. Now if you want to add more pink to make it a lot brighter, I suggest just adding a few more drops. This was all I needed because I was going for a really light baby pink. Now I actually ended up using the whole lot of that one little container because my first cake is actually quite big. It's going to cover the entire cake. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, but I never wanted things to. So what I'm doing here, guys, is I'm going to take my first round cardboard box. It's the larger one of the two, and what I'm doing is I'm not going to use the lid here, so I take that off and I'm just going to flip the box over upside down. Now I'm just removing the stickers here from the bottom of the box before I start my project. Sometimes I wish that I never met you. It's so hard
So taking out multi-purpose filler, I'm going to start by adding some to the top, and then I'm going to work my way round as if I'm covering an entire cake. Now it doesn't have to be completely neat and even. The uneven look gives the illusion that it really is a cake. So once I completely covered the round box and I was loving the way it was looking, I took it aside and let it dry. Now I let it dry for about a half an hour, guys, before I started decorating it. I then moved on to my adorable little love heart one. Now using the same method, I removed the lid and flipped the love heart over. So once both projects were completely dry, it was now the fun part, guys, of decorating them. So taking that icing set, I used some more of the filler, but this time I just left it the colour that it was, guys. So it's like a creamy white. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go around the entire top of the cake. Now guys, I placed my little love heart cake on the top, and I originally had the idea of making this cake two-tier, but I actually take it away in a second and make two separate cakes, and you'll see why in a moment.
I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, to sit and screaming when I'm coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now. Disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together. Let's come whatever when I'm coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you
Now guys, back in October last year, I turned 50 and my hubby surprised me with a Chanel cake. And of course it was deliciously yummy, but I was really sad that I couldn't keep it out all year round. So I was actually inspired by my 50th birthday cake to create a Chanel fake cake. So to start with, I added some black craft beads from my local dollar store, and I cut out the Chanel logo on some of that black glitter foam that I also get from the dollar store, and I glued it in the front. So I then took some black ribbon and tied it into a shoestring bow, and I also picked up from the dollar store one of these hair clip ribbons, guys. It's got the little clip on the back and I'm going to attach that to the first ribbon. Now in my craft stash I had a Chanel ribbon tied in a bow with some pink on it. I decided to use this as well, and I hot glued that into the center of the black bow.
We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together.
Also in my craft stash I have these beautiful blush pink flowers which are from Kmart, and I added one to the center. Now I had some of these self-adhesive rhinestones, and I'm actually going to use the black ones and add them randomly around the cake. Now guys, I actually ended up taking off some of the black ones. I thought they were too large, and I added some smaller black ones instead, as well as some cute little pink flowers. Now here I'm showing you that I took another dollar store flower and I hot glued that to the center of my love heart cake.
If I could hear my father's voice.
So now I'm going to move on to my next DIY, and I'm going to take some of this floral foam, guys, and I'm going to show you how I made my own slices of cake. So what you're going to do is just get your floral foam and get a sharp knife and cut it as if it is a cake into slices.
A favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until
So what I'm doing is I'm just outlining the shapes of each particular piece before I actually cut through them. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a few paddle pop sticks and you're going to place them in the center of each slice. So taking some more of that cherry blossom paint, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a foam brush and I'm going to paint the entire pieces.
I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face.
Now guys, I was truly inspired by so many things I've seen on Pinterest and YouTube about fake cakes, and this particular DIY belongs to a YouTube channel called That Props Girl. I'll leave a link to her video for you down below, and I was so inspired to have a go at these as well after watching her video and give it Chelle's touch.
Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh, I'm thinking about you.
Now once you'd finished painting them and they were dry, I then took some more of that fake pink icing. I made some more up and then I covered the tops of each slice. guys, anyone that knows me personally will tell you I am definitely not a master chef. I don't cook, guys. My husband is the cook in the family. But I had so much fun putting together these fake cakes. I actually said to my husband when I was creating them, these actually make me hungry and make me excited to actually make a real cake. Now, you know, all jokes aside, I can definitely bake a cake, a real one. But I just thought it was hilarious that I could create something that looks so real, but yet I have no interest in actually making one.
I'm thinking about you.
Now I wanted to add some of the icing in the middle of the slice, so I just took an old kitchen knife and I'm just placing it across the centre. Now once I had placed them onto both slices, I then took the flowers, and these are from my local dollar store, and I placed them on top of the icing.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling.
So guys, here is my DIY Valentine's Day inspired fake cakes. I'm so happy with how they came.
Breath we take, you're falling. I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm the creator of Chelle's Glam Home. I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves DIY projects, sharing inspirational ideas and home tours of my home. So if that's something that would interest you, I'd love, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
Ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you to start your very own DIY Valentine's Day Chanel inspired fake cake. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, it truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.